Hey guys, this is an unboxing and first impressions video on the Jowua 6D invisible foldaway car mount. This is a MagSafe wireless charging enabled car mount. So I have a Tesla Model Y and it will be installed here on the rear side of the screen with a suction cup, and then you can pull it out and also fold it away behind the screen. So on the box it says it has MagSafe wireless charging, which is nice, invisible and foldable design, 120 degrees rotation and washable base, and one-handed operation. And here on the rear side it says it supports iPhone MagSafe wireless charging, so great for my iPhone 14. And it supports a maximum output of 15 watts. And it's for Models 3 and Y for the center console. Invisible and hidden design, 120 degrees rotation and washable suction cup. And it also says it has a 4-year warranty with also slash 100,000 miles, so kind of matching the Tesla warranty, which is kind of a fun way of indicating the warranty, I think. And the box should have the MagSafe charger, car mount, and a USB-C cable. And this is made by Jowua and assembled in Taiwan. After opening the box, we see this cover here explaining the different parts of this car mount. Here we see the USB cable is 1.75 meters long. Okay, there's a quick start video which you can check, and there's a cable management guide. Okay, so the cable plugs in to this kind of rear side, and then it runs along the edge here and up. Plug in the rear, okay, and then tuck the cable into the side trim strip. Make sure the cable is hidden inside and doesn't fall out. Plug the USB cable into your car mount or device. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we have some clips here in the box. Don't know what these are yet for. Then we have the actual car mount, and I think this is the suction cup here. So first I would say the build quality feels good. So this is definitely a more premium product compared to some of the cheaper car mounts. And here under the plastic we still have the USB cable, and this goes in the back. So this is of course nice that it's not sticking out, it's kind of a sideways plug. Then we still have some installation instructions. And also MagSafe user guide. And that's everything in the box. Okay, let's see if we can get this installed. So the first step is to make sure the back of the touch screen is clean and dry, and then you need to unfold and extend the arm. So this is what it looks like when it's extended. So just push this here to the side, and this lever here is for the suction cup. So if it's in this position, you need to open it like this, and then you need to take this cover from the suction cup away, and you need to align and place the car mount at the corner of the screen. So like this, you can mount it on either top corner, and you should make sure the suction cup is about 1 centimeters away from the edge, so have a small gap. And from the orientation you can see that this side goes down, so the side with the metal here goes down, and it has that small flap there on the suction cup as well. so down like on the screen, and then just position it correctly and press the suction cup firmly and push the lever to lock in place. Okay, so I have mounted it now here and pushed the lever down, so this is what it looks like once it is installed. Okay, second try. I think I didn't have it quite correctly aligned. There was a gap up here. I put it just a bit lower. Maybe it's not 2 centimeters from the edge, but now it's a lot firmer and feels good. So this is what it looks like when it has been folded away. So if I want to pull it up, I can pull it up here and fold it up like this, and I can also put it to the side. Then plugged in the cable back here, and then it goes neatly here under the trim all the way. And first I thought that you just need to push it here in the middle and there would be a place for it, but actually you can lift, even just with your fingers, just lift the trim slightly, and then you will have it an easier time pushing the cable into that small crack. And you can also get it under here and then just go up behind the screen, and then it plugs in here on the car mount. Installing the USB cable, you can pop your phone on the mount and you can see it starts wirelessly charging. If you're interested in buying this foldable car mount from Jowua, please check the link down below in the description. There is a 5% discount and shipping is free for orders over $120, and you can also find these on Amazon, so I'll leave links to both. If you decide to use the links, it does help the channel greatly, so thank you for that. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.